Casa Encantada, Bel-Air. Imagine stepping into a mansion so extravagant that presidents, Hollywood legends, and billionaires have all walked through its grand halls, a home so exclusive that only a handful of people on the planet could ever dream of owning it. Welcome to Casa Encantada, a 40,000 square foot architectural masterpiece in Bel-Air, sold for a jaw-dropping $94 million. Built in the 1930s, this estate is the definition of old money luxury. Think 60 lavishly designed rooms, marble-clad hallways, hand-carved fireplaces, and panoramic views of the Los Angeles skyline. The mansion is so secluded that despite its massive size, it remains hidden behind towering gates and lush gardens, a billionaire's dream fortress. Now let's talk about the man who secured this real estate gem, Gary Winnick, a billionaire financier and founder of Global Crossing. Back in 2000 he made headlines when he bought Casa Encantada for $94 million, setting a record for the most expensive home sale in the US at the time. But here's the wild part. Winnick wasn't just buying a house, he was buying a piece of Hollywood history. The mansion had hosted presidents like Ronald Reagan and Franklin D. Roosevelt, along with A-list celebrities and global elites.